Hello once again, everybody. Welcome back to Nox Asian Recipes. Today she's making Char Siu tofu. And here's a look at all the ingredients that you're going to need for today's dish. And she has her block of soft tofu, which she'll just set aside, and while she chops up her garlic, ginger, and beet. She's using a little bit of beetroot today to help along with this classic red color in Char Siu. So she's going to blender up these three ingredients in a little bit of water, and then she's going to start to mix all the rest of the ingredients on top of her tofu. Of course, the red color from Char Siu, which typically would be pork, it's at least 2 millennia this recipe from the south of China, and you get from soy sauce and sugar and typically hoisin sauce. You can get this red color when you cook it, and these ingredients combine and become caramelized. Today, as I mentioned, a little bit of beetroot, which is a delicate flavor, doesn't change the flavor very much, but gives it this nice red color. So she's combined all the other ingredients around her block of soft tofu, and now she's going to let this marinate for 2 hours in the refrigerator before cooking.
Are you going to need your sambal?
And now when cooking this sauce around the block of tofu, she's going to want to cook it quite vigorously to thicken it up and also let the sugar caramelize and all the ingredients combine well. And this will enhance the red color and, of course, all the flavors. So now she's ready to plate it, and she likes to slice the tofu so that the sauce seeps into all the crevices. The texture of the tofu has been improved by the cooking, and that's about all there is to it. This one is almost ready to go. And of course, you can garnish any way you'd like. She's going to use a little bit of green onion, and now lunch is ready. Thanks so much for watching this one to the end. We hope you'll try this at home. It's very delicious and nutritious. Bon appetit!